So this is the mic.
So actually I made a mistake.
So this is how the box of the DJI Mic 2 looks like. This is the only transmitter version since I have a DJI Osmo, so I've only ordered the transmitter. So let's see how it goes. The box is very premium. This is a nice travel pouch, DJI. I guess the mic is inside this. Yeah, so this is the mic and it has a magnet which is very strong. This doesn't come off easily. So you can just stick it and it will stay because this is very strong. See, it doesn't come off easily. It also comes with a clip. This blue light is for pairing. Right now it is in pairing mode. And this light that you see means once you press the power button, see now it is pairing. And the green light tells you that it is in the noise cancellation mode. This looks so cool, see? You can see what's inside the mic. So I'm just now gonna pair it with my camera and then we'll see after that. So here's our camera. We'll just turn it on. And I guess even I'll have to check mic. Yeah, so now we have successfully connected it. And as you can see, now the audio is coming in the DJI mic. You can see this, the green bar is moving. That means that we have successfully connected it. So if I'll take it close to my mouth, you will see that the green moves a bit higher because now it's close to the audio source. And you can see everything here, like 60% of charge is remaining, how many hours it can be. And as you know, since this is a DJI Osmo 5, you can directly connect two different transmitters to it without any receiver. See, there's no receiver connected. Now let's just test this somewhere outside.
So what we are doing is we are just testing the mic out on the bike, how it sounds, and currently the gain is at 0. So what we'll do is after every like around 30 seconds or 1 minute of riding, we'll just change the gain to like -6 and then -12 and then whatever the highest the negative settings is, because making it higher doesn't make sense because it would add more noise. So what we currently need is just to reduce the gain and find the sweet spot. Currently it's placed in my helmet and we'll see how it sounds. Maybe after this stretch at the top of the road we'll just change it to maybe -6. We'll have to see if we can change it from the phone. Now I'll just change it to -6 and we'll see how it sounds. So actually I made a mistake. The mic was actually catching the data, but it was not showing the green bar because I accidentally pressed on the mute transmitter button. I don't know how that happened, but I accidentally pressed on it, and that's why you were not able to hear anything. Anyways, now the gain is set to -6 and this is how it sounds like. And I'll also close the visor so it's better. Although you will have bit noise, I'm assuming at -6. What I've heard is -12 sounds the best on DJI. Now let's see if that system and how it sounds. Wow. The road was so good, but then I don't know what the government does is think I'll place it in my helmet, because I then keep checking it, that is it there, is it not there. What I'll do is, when I'm not motovlogging, obviously, when I'm making a reel or something like that, I'll put it in my fanny bag or my thigh bag, whatever I'm wearing. But the main thing is that it needs to have the proper gain settings, otherwise the audio will be very worst. Let's see. So I'll just turn it from here, and we'll go to the same road again. Now this time I'll keep the gain at minus 12 and see how it sounds. So now we are at minus 12, and I don't know how it's sounding, but I'm hoping it's sounding good. Now let's see after a while. I can only tell when we reach home and then I'm editing the vlog. But yeah, I'll put every sound clip even if it's not sounding good, so that way even you have an idea of what to do and what not to do. Anyways, this is how it sounds at when you're at 12, and I'll just close the visor and pull for a bit on the next road, so that you have a good idea of that too. But maybe if you're cruising at 70, 80, then what the sound will be. Motovlogging as well, because the inbuilt DJI sound is really good, but the real thing is that, and now you can hear my voice at around 80, and we'll see how it sounds. Now what I'll do is I'll put it in my bag, and I'm hoping that it will sound good. Now let's see, because I'm not very confident about keeping it in my chin, because it's heavy, and I don't have a proper mounting for it also. I've just clipped it on my chin pad. So what I'll do is I'll put it in my bag, and I'll show how it sounds. I will not show how it sounds, you can hear how it sounds. So we have parked our bike, and this is it for today's vlog. I was just testing out the DJI Mic 2 that I got, and soon you will get more vlogs, more new things on this channel. So make sure you are subscribed to this channel, and make sure you like this video, and you can also follow me on Instagram. The link will be in the bio or in the description. And yeah, see you next time.